Good day, good day, good day, good day. Welcome back to class. In this lesson, we'll learn about HTML comment. HTML comment. We'll learn a bit of colors. We'll learn CSS. We'll learn links and images. If time permits, we'll learn about images. Let us begin. You go to your root folder, that's Rose Consult for me. I don't know yours. Go to HTML and you create a file, call it comment.html. Comment.html. Then we begin. Okay. So comment.html. What is a comment? HTML comment. What is a comment? We'll come to that later. But the first thing you should know that comments are not displayed in the browser, but they can help document your HTML source code. You can add comment to your HTML source by using the following syntax. So what is the syntax? Here is a syntax. As you can see, there is a syntax for comment. If you want to write again, let's go, no problem. Call on our P element, call less than sign, you call exclamation 1, 2, you give it a space, or you don't want a space, 1, 2 again, then bam, you close it. So this is what we call the syntax. It should be in between the second and the third dash that you have. Okay, so let's say I am a comment 2. So there's a comment. This wouldn't be displayed in your browser. Okay, this wouldn't be displayed in your browser. The key note of that, it wouldn't be displayed in your browser. So for instance, let's say I want to write something else, P, then say I am learning how to comment in HTML. Control plus S, let's say Control plus 1, then review it. Okay, so you could see I am learning how. All right, how. I'm learning how. Let us change the font size of our body element. Remember, style, then column font size, then you give it maybe 45 px. Okay, 45 px for that one. Okay, so let's do it now and see. Okay, so let's just type in errors. Again, I'm learning how to comment in HTML. So you see that even though our body element is responsible for everything that is seen on our site, in this case, I am a comment and I am going to are not visible on our page. They are not visible on our page. They are not visible on our page. Okay, they are not visible on our page. Okay, so that will be that. Now we'll take it a bit further. You should always note that there is an exclamation mark in the start tag, but not in the end tag. So let's go again. This is what we call comment. There is an exclamation mark here. We call this the beginning tag, but there is no exclamation mark at the end tag. The end tag is this, beginning tag is this. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so that's one thing. Comments are not displayed in the browser, but they can help you document your source code. What is source code? Maybe might be something new to you. Source code is all about everything that you write before it goes to the browser for it to be viewed, what is called a source code. With comments, you can place notifications and reminders in HTML code. So the comment will help you to place notifications and reminders in your HTML code. Okay, so for instance, let's say um, this is a comment. Okay, then we go outside, we put on our paragraph element, you see I am paragraph, okay, I am a paragraph, waiting for more stuff to be added. So in this case, if you don't want to forget that you would want to add something to this paragraph, you can comment 1, 2, 1, 2, then you get your comment. Okay, so remember to add, maybe remind me add top to the paragraph about, to the paragraph about. So in this case, if let's say you are writing a huge document, after you are done writing the document and the following day you come and you want to go through, you get here, then you see, remind me to add some stuff to the paragraph above. It means there is something that you would have to add here. I am a paragraph, I'm waiting for more stuff to be added. Nice, so to be accessed, okay, to be added. So like this. To be added, please. Okay, so Control plus S, Control plus 1, you do it in your browser, and it is still waiting for more stuff to be added. Nothing more, nothing less. You don't see remind me to add more stuff. Okay, you don't see that over here. Okay, you don't see that over here. So you take key note of that. Now we can continue. So there is one, you've gotten one use of comments. They help you to, or they set as reminders or notifications for you to do certain activities or take certain actions. They can also help you to hide content, right? Comments can be used to hide content, which can be helpful if you hide content temporarily. Maybe sometime you're writing a code, a very huge document, as I said, you are designing for a company. In that case, you will need a whole lot of info. Okay. Maybe sometime you wouldn't want some of the info to be viewed at a go. So as you write, you'll be hiding them bit by bit. Later on, if you are ready for it to be known, then you make it known. Okay. You make it known. Okay. So first of all, let's see. You can do this. You can do this, 1, 2, and you get your comment. I call on my paragraph element. In that case, I wouldn't get there. So I'll have to do it myself. Then let's say I am paragraph. I am a hidden, let's say I am a hidden. I am temporarily, I'm a temporarily hidden paragraph, okay? I'm a temporarily hidden paragraph. Waiting to be unveiled to the world. Waiting to be unveiled to the world. Okay. I'm a temporarily hidden paragraph waiting to be unveiled to the world. Okay. Okay. So that's that. Control plus S, then we save it. Refreshing our browser wouldn't cause any changes in this in our file. So let's go there. Control plus R, and you see we are still having the same thing. Okay. So in, let's say, a later time, I want to unveil this paragraph. I want to unveil the paragraph, then I'll just come here, forgo this guy, bam, then see that something is happening, right? Then forgo this, so let me do this, then control plus S, control plus 1, okay? Or let me refresh it, then bam. You can see I am a temporarily hidden paragraph waiting to be unveiled to the world. So we can now have that. Okay. So for now, we'll just hide it. We'll just hide it and we'll continue. Okay. So the second use of comment is to what? Hide certain stuff on your site for some short period of time. The first one to set as reminders or notifications to take certain actions. Second one, to hide things or hide content. Okay. You should note that the comment is not just one. Have as many lines as you want. So for instance, let's say column and comment, 1, 2, then no, made a mistake. One, 1, 2. Okay. So let me start. I am line 1, line 1. I am line 2, line 2, line 2. I am line 3, I am line 3, line 3, and etc. Okay, so anything that comes in between this guy, this is the closing tag. Okay, this is the closing tag. Anything that comes between this guy and that man is treated as what? A comment, and it wouldn't be visible online. Okay. Comments can also be used to hide parts in the middle of the HTML code. So maybe it is not just to, let's say I started with paragraph, but I am a paragraph, paragraph, a paragraph. This part, this part of me, then column and comment. Okay, it's hidden. It's hidden. So you could see that. Okay, let's view it. Control plus S. Let's go to our browser and then view this. Browser, view this. So you see, I am a paragraph. This part of me is, so the one inside of what? Our comment centers or comment tag has been what? Hidden, has been taken off. So you can use it to hide parts of a line. Okay.